Both the markets closed positive today. Stalkers, welcome back. Let us start analyzing DFM market index first. I'm on the daily chart. Today we can see market has clearly broken the resistance, that is 6023 points. I was watching the zone very closely. Closing is at 6045 points. We are seeing a decisive green candle today. This shows strength. Market is definitely bullish. We are going through a phase where stocks are rebounding and they are going up. So first thing first, we know that market has started to reverse from 5,800 points. Market broke the resistance of 5,896 and then 5,958 was also taken. And today we are seeing a decisive candle close above the next resistance. So now we are heading towards this zone, that is 6096. That is the swing high, or I must say the recent swing high right from here, where market started to drop aggressively to the downside. So this will be a hurdle and the rally has started right from this zone. So we are already up by 2 or 3%. Let me check the move right from the bottom if I have to check. Oh my god, yes, we are up by 4.5%. So if at all, if it continues directly, then most likely we should see some kind of rejection, because market will be tired by then. Hopefully we see some sort of breather here. If at all market comes down to retest this zone or any of the minor support zones, then this would be a good move. I think in this case market will break out 6096. Well, in a bullish market you cannot say even the toughest resistance can be broken with just one go. But this is just the analysis. We go as per the plan. If at all market performs as what we are planning, then definitely we make good money. Otherwise, we will come out with the small stop loss as per the planning. So overall, DFM market index is looking very positive, very bullish. I'm expecting more upside momentum. ADX market also closed very nicely. I had mentioned in my yesterday's video that we are seeing a nice bounce after the breakout. This is looking more convincing and it is healthy as well. Closing is very near to the resistance zone now, so we will watch out this zone very carefully tomorrow, that is 10,000 points. Today's candle close is very solid, very strong. We are seeing green candles, almost all green candles from 9,688 points. So let's see if at all market can break past 10,000 zone. In fact, I have already given you the zone that is between 10,000 and 10,051 points. This area will be hurdle. Why is it? Because previously we saw market was just spending time here for about a week and then finally we saw aggressive drop to the downside. So this is a bit of congestion zone where buyers and sellers were fighting. It is a round number, a whole number. So tomorrow will be the deciding day. If at all market pierces into this zone and closes above this area, or we see a closing within this range, or we see a rejection. All three scenarios are possible, but looking at the strength of the market, I'm very bullish. Even if it dips down, we will see more upside momentum, and in this case we are targeting our next areas of hurdle. First one is right here, that is 10,000 to 10,051 points. Then we have 10,102 and then we have 10,246 points. Hopefully market will soon break all the zones and we will be seeing a new high that will be about 10,360. Let's continue with Julphar. I'm on the daily chart. We saw after getting rejected at 1.47, it dropped down aggressively. Today's low is at 1.23. As I mentioned, this area is good support zone. I had mentioned in my yesterday's video as well that if at all market bounces from here and if it goes up, we will consider this to be positive or bullish, and from here we can see more upside momentum. So is Julphar ready to go higher from here? Let's discuss. I will go down to lower time frame, that is 15 minutes chart. Before I proceed guys, a small request. I put in lot of efforts and time. If at all my videos are helpful, show your support. It motivates me and it also helps YouTube algorithm. So please hit the like button and subscribe to show your support. So what we had analyzed that this zone is support area. We should be seeing a bounce. Yes, we saw a bounce today. It went up and then it came back again to revisit the same area. I'm still not convinced if at all fresh buying has started or if at all correction is over. Reason is this is a hurdle. Right here we know 1.33 to 1.35. This is resistance area. Today when it was trying to recover, it got rejected and it came back again at the same zone where it started its move. So this is not looking healthy. If at all buyers were strong after hitting the resistance, market should have corrected about 50 to 60% and then it should resume its upside momentum. Since that did not happen, I'm not convinced if at all correction is over. Scenario number 1. Scenario number 2, if at all we see a decisive candle close above 1.35, yes, in that case, yes, I would be bullish again, and from here we can plan our entries, but the main hurdle is right here, that is 1.33 to 1.35. So mark it on your charts as well. This is resistance zone. If at all this is broken, then yes, you can expect more upside momentum in Julphar, and as I had mentioned, I'm now targeting 1.63 area. That is next strong resistance for Julphar after obviously we break out the recent swing high at 1.47. In the negative scenario that I'm looking at, if at all this zone is not broken, then there are very high chances. Be ready for an aggressive drop to the downside. We have 1.19 that is identified as a strong support. So taking entries into this zone would be very risky. This zone should be considered as no trading zone. You can just watch it. If at all it is breaking the resistance tomorrow, somewhat like this, if we see a decisive candle close, then be ready for more upside. Otherwise, if it goes up, gets rejected, then we have next area of support that we will look out for. If at all we see a decisive candle close with good bullish chart pattern and with good volumes, then we can plan our re-entry, or you may take your fresh entries into this zone. For now, it is very tricky. It is do or die situation for Julphar. Let's see if at all it can sustain tomorrow and print a decisive green candle. Overall, no doubt Julphar has shown us good strength. We saw 2 limit up days. It went up aggressively. It tried for third limit up, but it got rejected at 1.47 and now it has started to correct. If I measure the downside fall from the swing low that is right here at 1.05 till the recent swing high that was at 1.47, then Julphar have corrected 0.5% of this move to the upside, which is healthy, which is fine. Next strong area of support is at a strong golden ratio of Fibonacci that is 0.618%, and it is coinciding with our marked support area as well. So very interesting. Julphar can make a move even if it drops down. I'm expecting more upside momentum after the correction. Once again, hit the like button if today's video was helpful. Show your support for the channel. Keep motivating me. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.